These are the snow sheds that protected the train and the tracks during the harsh winters. As you ascend Old Highway 40, the Donner Pass Road, you will get glimpses of Donner Lake. This is famous because in 1846, a pioneer group was trapped at the east end. Out of 81 people, 36 died and needed to be rescued the following year in 1847. Some resorted to cannibalism. You can imagine a train coming through here. We can hear the whistle in our minds. Here it comes. Also, these walls are lined with graffiti. You can imagine what it took to blast through this solid granite. You can also see the old soot from the trains as they would pass through here. This is the second section of the longest tunnel. You can see it's brighter in this section. There's less water, and there's also light that comes from the distance. Here's a beam of light. There is dust in here, so it makes the light refract off the dust and reflect. A little video of us walking along here. This is an area, obviously, with portals for the sun. I'm not sure the original purpose of that, maybe for ventilation. Now we're making the right-hand turn in this tunnel. We're not sure where the tunnel ends or where it intersects with the new rail line. Here's an area of bats. You can see them flying around. So here's the next tunnel. I'm not sure how much farther I can go in the time I have allotted. So it looks like the tunnels continue. I don't have enough time to complete the tunnel explorations today, but certainly feel free at your leisure to come up to Donner Lake, the Sierra Nevadas, and explore for yourself. It's a wonderful area. You'll have a great time. Have a good day, and we'll try to get a part 2 sometime. Bye now.